80 animals.
Hamster.
Hello, everyone. It's good to see you again. How are you doing? I'm great. Do you enjoy learning about animals? Me too. This time we'll learn about hamsters. This is a hamster. It's a popular pet. Let's learn some words first.
Roll. When you roll something, the thing moves by turning over many times. In the picture, the man rolls a large ball. The man moves the ball by turning it over many times. Do you have a ball? Do you roll it? Belong. If something belongs to you, you own it. In the picture, the coins belong to the boy. The boy owns the coins. Gnaw. If an animal gnaws on something, it bites it repeatedly. In the picture, the mouse bites the wood repeatedly. It gnaws on the wood.
Listen and choose the right picture for the word. Belong. Gnaw. Roll.
Now you will read a story. After you read, you will take a quiz.
Look at the picture. A small animal is rolling a ball. It is a hamster. A hamster belongs to the mouse family. Many kids like having a hamster as a pet. A hamster sleeps during the daytime. When it gets up, it cleans its face. A hamster plays at night. It likes running in the wheel. It can also roll a ball. A hamster's front teeth never stop growing. So it gnaws on sticks to keep its teeth small. Do you want to have a hamster?
When does the hamster sleep? During the day. During the night. What does the hamster like to do? Play with a mouse. Run in the wheel. What is true about a hamster? Its front teeth never stop growing. Its main food is a stick.
Did you enjoy the class? Good! That's all for today. I will see you next time. Goodbye!